So I'm not sure how new this receiver is. rx2a Pro. So this is for Flysky. I don't usually review Flysky stuff. I've never... Well, actually, I take that back. I have owned one Flysky radio, and it was the Evolution. I didn't have it for very long. But it wasn't a bad radio. It was pretty decent, but I just wasn't a fan. I started with Spectrum, actually, and I loved Spectrum so much. I always said that I would never switch to FR Sky, and then once I did finally switch to FR Sky, I don't remember why I did or what happened, but once I did, there's no way I would ever go to anything else but that. So, anyway, this receiver, I saw it on Banggood. It's $10, maybe $10.99, something like that. So I picked it up. I saw that it says S-Bus, so it actually does S-Bus, and I know, well, let me show you real quick. I know there's the regular rx2a receiver, and that's this guy right here. And then I know that there was an updated version that looks just like this, except it has a little UFL connector antenna, a better antenna. And I think it was, besides that, I think that was the only difference. So this is the oldest one right here. I can't actually even get this one to bind. I don't know. There's definitely something wrong with it. So I've tried 2 different Flysky radios, but it will not bind whatsoever to an Evolution or the FSi6S radios. But this one just does PPM or iBus. So it's pretty old school. And then the newer one, I think the newer one actually did S-Bus as well. But it's pretty cool that these Flysky receivers are doing S-Bus now. I thought that was pretty cool because, you know, it used to be just PPM or iBus. And PPM, you don't get failsafe at all. Look at that. Oh, English on the other side. All right, cool. 4 to 6 volts, that's cool. 10 by 16 millimeters, it's just under 1 gram. So incredibly light. I mean, you can't get any lighter than that, you know. I mean, there is some... I actually just saw the new B-Seaver from Newbie Drone, the DSM one. It's a Diversity, and it's like 0.8 grams. Pretty awesome. But yeah, this thing is tiny. I would compare it to a XM Plus. It's pretty much the exact same size as XM Plus. But it's not Diversity. You don't really expect that on Flysky anyway, unless it's a bigger, full-size receiver. But there it is. Looks pretty nice. S-Bus 5-volt ground. Just like a XM Plus. It says rx2a Pro. This isn't the same Pro, though. There's a rx2a Pro that looks just like the other one I just showed you, with a UFL connector. So, I'm not sure. Oh, I guess it's called the X-Boss. It's the rx2a Pro X-Boss. So, pretty nice looking receiver. Just thought I'd show it real quick. I'll leave a link to it. I saw it on Banggood. It might be on other places, but they put some heat shrink over this part, which is really nice because, you know, that can get messed up pretty easily. I don't know why they wouldn't have went all the way to the end with it, but looks like a nice antenna. It's not a UFL. It is direct soldered, but still, if you had to, you could solder that yourself. Wouldn't be hard. But yeah, it's a nice little receiver. So I'm going to be hooking it up to this quad, and I'm going to run it S-Bus, and I'll do an update and let you guys know how that goes. All right.